Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to touch on my current tech stack with Hermes. And the first tool that I wanted to touch on here is XR. So XR gives Hermes the web context that allows it to actually do live web search online. So before I gave Hermes XR, Hermes basically could not do live web research. Finding sources was a lot harder, and the current facts were just a lot slower to verify. So the research workflow was really limited. And overall, the business discovery was just less autonomous. So, today Hermes can search, but in terms of live search, adding XR really unlocked Hermes's capabilities. So today, my Hermes chief of staff, who I named Laura, has access to XR. And when I ask her to look up stuff or do some research, it utilizes XR to then go onto the live web and pull in documents, pages, all sorts of information that I need to help me make a decision. The main features that XR gives is obviously the live web search in real time. So finding documents, pricing, competitive analysis, pulling facts and the most recent data, and then really just helping you with discovery, leads, tools, examples, and overall different cases that you're looking at while also searching the web. So again, it's giving your agent access to live web search. So in this video, I'm going to quickly touch on how I go about doing that and how you would be able to follow this process and set it up for yourself. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to xr.ai, and this is the landing page. And when you get here, you obviously want to create an account and be able to log in to get your API. So I already have an account, and I will just go to my API dashboard and show you how you get your API key. So the cool thing about XR is that they actually have a free plan. So I'm still on the free plan because, again, I am using the real-time online web search with my Hermes agent, not all the time, but whenever I need it, I'm able to use it. So you want to go ahead and click your dashboard, click API keys, and then under API keys, you just want to press the create button right here, and then call your project name, say Hermes agent, and then it'll create you an API key. And there's a test key. I will delete this after this video. So once you have that API key, this is the number or the key that you're going to copy and add to your environment within your Hermes agent. I use it on a VPS, virtual private server. So we will go to Hostinger. That's who I use to run my Hermes agent. And when you go to hostinger.com, this is where you can host your Hermes agent so it is live 24/7. If you have never set up Hermes on Hostinger, they do have a one-click section here that helps you set it up. And I also have a video that also walks you through that if you are interested in following that. But once you get to your Hostinger dashboard, you go to your VPS or virtual private server, then you click manage. And then under manage, I usually go to my Docker manager, and I have a bunch of other things running, a couple of different Hermes agents. But this is a one that I like to use. So I click manage right here as well. And then at the very bottom, I will be able to scroll to the environment section right here. And then if you scroll all the way to the bottom, these are all the different tools I have in here. I have XR_API_key. So that's what you would type in. And then you would paste in your API key right here. So the key that we got earlier from here, you would go ahead and paste it in here. And as soon as that has been pasted, you'd go right back up and click deploy. And I'm not going to do that because I already have it. And once deployment is completed, you are then able to go to your Hermes agent. I use Telegram. So you can go into your Telegram and just start chatting with your agent and say, do you have access to XR? And are you able to do a live web search? And your agent will be able to obviously confirm that. So the free tier here runs you 20,000 requests per month for free, which is amazing. And then you have a few other pricing tiers in here as well. if you're looking for a lot more live search. So this is the first video that I wanted to touch on basically how I'm leveraging XR to give my Hermes agent live search. If you found this video useful, click on the next one that touches on how I gave my Hermes agent access to Claude Code, so it would be able to chat with Claude and ask Claude to start coding some projects for me. See you on the next one.